Those are huge hailstones, pounding cars in the Buckeye State, Ohio, getting hit hard by, of course, in Ohio, there was another storm report from the National Weather Service. This was incredible. A semi-truck blown over on I-71 in Jeffersonville, Ohio. I mean, look at that footage there. They were just tipped over like toy trucks with the big winds that came in. Now that same system is threatening parts of the East Coast. I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.